morning everyone. Today we're doing another science activity. The science activity that we're going to be doing today is creating weather inside. We're going to be making our own little mini tornado. This is very simple to do again, doesn't need a lot of things to prepare for it. So it's easy, simple, children can see how it works straight away. So in front of the boys, I've got a glass each. You could use a jam jar as long as it's a see-through tall container. They've each got a spoon and they've got some water in a jug. Boys, we're going to create a tornado today. How do you think we're going to create a tornado using this?
Probably water and glitter.
But how?
And water.
What is a tornado?
It's something that spins round and can pick up houses.
Yeah, it does. It spins around and it can destroy things, can't it? So we're going to create one today with the items we've got here. So do you want to pour the water into your glass? All of the water. Gabriel, can you pour all of this water into your glass?
Oh.
Do you want me to help you? That's it. Okay.
No,
right, that's
putting
it.
some of these on the table.
Hang on. No, we're not going to use the tablespoon for it. So, we're going to put in now some glitter. So, what colour glitter would you like?
I want green.
You want green?
Blue. Gold.
Gold. We have some manners in there.
Please.
There we go. So I'm just going to put some glitter in. Okay, this will help our tornado to show up. Okay. Right, there we go.
So we'll stir it up.
No, you're not stirring it up yet. Now we also need some washing up liquid as well. So pick the washing up liquid in, up.
Oh,
Just do a few drops.
how many?
Just a few drops. That's it. Stop. Okay, hang on. Let's do some for you as well. Can you notice what's happening, Noah?
It's all going down.
It's all going down, isn't
To
it?
make a bit of a tornado.
Wow, we're going to make a tornado. Now, we're going to take the spoon
And stir it.
and spin really, really fast. So hold, that's it, hold it. Put your spoon right in all the way into the bottom. Oh, Gabriel, yours is spilling a bit. Let's just help you, Gabriel.
Oh, look at mine.
So can you look in the middle of your glass? What's it doing?
It's going like a tornado.
It's going like a tornado. Can you see the little tornado in the middle? Don't know if that's quite showing up on camera. Let me just go a bit closer.
I need to do it back.
The bubbles, the washing up liquid, help to show it's in the middle. I think we might have put a bit too much glitter in, boys. Just giving it a stir. Just try using this one without any glitter, first of all, so that people can see what the tornado looks like. So if I just move yours for a minute, Gabriel. Gabriel, let's give yours a spin. Can we see the tornado that's formed?
No.
There in the middle. Look right in the middle. Can we see it?
Yeah.
Noah, stop stirring yours for a minute. Can you see in Gabriel's? Can you see the tornado?
Yeah. So
Yeah.
put some Lego inside.
Hang on a minute.
Just keep going at
It's
the
not
bottom.
showing it properly, is it? Right, give it a spin now. This one. Give this one a spin.
No, you put mine.
So it's also letting children see that things don't always work straight away. We can have another go. Give it a spin, Gabriel. Give it a spin. No, we're really fast spinning.
Okay, I'll do it as fast as I can.
That's it. That's it. You're making it. Spinning. Spinning. Can you see your tornado? Oh, that's a good one. Give it a spin. Now we're going to put some Lego in and see if that changes anything. So, are we going to put your Lego in? That's it, Noah. You've made a super one there.
Mum, I need
All right, well, first of all, Gabriel, we're going to put your Lego in. Noah, Gabriel. Noah, Gabriel, you're not listening. Thank you. We're going to put your Lego in now. So pick your Lego up and drop it all in. And we're going to see if it can pick any of the Lego up.
I might need to...
Drop your Lego in.
Okay.
There we go. Right, Gabriel.
I might need to
give it a spin and see what happens. So give it a really fast spin and then take your spoon out. What's happening?
It's going around.
It's spinning around. A vortex has been created by the spinning. And this is what happens with a real life tornado. Warm air and cold air collide and the warm air rises and it creates a tornado. Now we have our little tornado in a glass. You could also do this with a jam jar and put a lid on and spin it that way, so you don't have to use a spoon. We didn't have enough jam jars to do that, so which is why we've done it with glasses and a spoon. Come on, give it one more spin, Noah. That's it. Watch how I spin it. There we go. Look at your tornado. Look at it. How good does that look? There you go, you have a go. So, that's our activity for today. I think it's going to keep them entertained for a little while. The noise might get a bit annoying after a bit. You can find lots more practical resources and ideas on our timetable over at classroomsecrets.co.uk. Please do join us tomorrow where we'll be doing lots more, another practical activity. And thank you for joining us this morning. Bye for now. See you tomorrow.